Guys, and welcome to a brand new installment with Reecyjetz. Today we have a Monarch A321 flight miniatures. So let's dive in and see what it's all about. So this is what it looks like inside the box. So let's get it all assembled and see what it looks like all done. So this is the model all assembled, and then that's your assembly guide. It is an absolutely superb model. I really like it, and Flight Miniatures are my favourite airline brand for making model planes. I love them so much. They're just a really nice brand, and the quality is amazing. I wish I had a Monarch A320, but they're quite rare these days. It's got an APU look. It's got loads of detail on it. It is just a superb model. It's absolutely superb. See if I can get a shot of the wings. It's really nice. So as you can see, it's got different coloured wing tips on both sides. So overall, I would rate this model 9 out of 10, and that's not exaggeration. I honestly would, because it's just really nice. It's one of my favourite models. I love it so much. It's also got a nice stand. It is just an absolute superb model. A really nice model. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.